So let's take a brief look at what is inside the MOBOTIX Q24. The camera has a built-in VoIP phone, so it can actually be programmed to integrate with an existing SIP system and can also independently send and receive phone calls. It includes a microphone and speaker with integrated amplifier, delivering two-way audio. This is in full duplex, so there is no microphone cancellation when audio is being transmitted. All the MOBOTIX cameras are IP65 rated, meaning they're fully weatherproof, thus don't require outdoor housings or climate control systems. The camera is a DVR in that it has video management software and also image correction software installed in the camera. Plus, you can record internally to the camera's 4GB micro SD card, which can be upgraded as cards with higher capacities are released. MOBOTIX cameras deliver 3 megapixel resolution, providing very high detail for easy facial and object event identification, and wider area coverage so fewer cameras are needed. Plus, the camera handles both the event triggering and the alarm management, which is another unique feature of the camera. Additionally, there are no moving parts in the camera, and the internal components have been ruggedized to withstand even the most extreme conditions. One of the key features of the MOBOTIX Q24 is its hemispheric megapixel lens, which enables the camera to capture a 360-degree field of view. The camera's world-renowned durability and consistently high build quality is due to the fact that all MOBOTIX devices are manufactured according to the strictest quality guidelines in Germany. Using a megapixel class ultra-wide fisheye lens, the MOBOTIX Q24 camera captures a 360-degree field of view, thus it can view and record events over a very wide area. Sections of the 360-degree hemispheric video can be extracted and corrected by the Q24, so you can view and record different views simultaneously, something that a standard PTZ camera cannot do. Just one hemispheric camera covers the same area as 4 CCTV cameras, thus reducing the number of components required and installation time, which in turn reduces the overall system cost. So to quickly recap, the MOBOTIX hemispheric technology in the Q24 is unique in that it captures a 360-degree field of view, and then the camera itself actually corrects the image whilst simultaneously producing varying layout views to suit the application. Whether the Q24 hemispheric camera is wall-mounted, ceiling-mounted, used for purposes of public transport surveillance, or to simply monitor a retail store, there is a wide choice of layout views to suit the application. While standard IP camera systems require an external PC system with video management software installed and an additional image correction plugin for fisheye cameras, MOBOTIX doesn't need any of that because all the functionality is built into the Q24. Having all of the video management software and DVR functionality built in means the camera is decentralized. The decentralized platform enables the Q24 to not only produce the raw 3 megapixel images, the camera can also correct the distorted images thanks to the in-camera software. As a comparison, here is how a standard megapixel IP camera fitted with a fisheye lens delivers the images. It firstly has to compress the raw image in the camera, which results in immediate loss of image quality. It then has to send the images to an NVR, which is required to perform the image distortion correction. The raw fisheye image in centralized surveillance systems has to be compressed at the camera before sending it over the network to preserve bandwidth consumption. For example, each raw 3 megapixel image is around 10 megabytes in size, so it's simply not viable to stream. The cost server-side to decompress and perform the image correction from a fisheye camera is another hurdle, making standard fisheye camera systems very expensive to deploy. However, this is not an issue with the MOBOTIX decentralized system, as all of the image processing is performed in the camera. No other IP camera on the market can do this. So, we've established that the MOBOTIX Q24 hemispheric camera is the only IP camera on the market that can store the raw 360-degree hemispheric images for high detail, pan, tilt and zoom, and also correct the images into a viewing layout that suits the application. As demonstrated here, the camera can also record internally to the factory-fitted 4GB microSD card. If more storage is needed, the SD card can be upgraded to one of a higher capacity quickly and easily. However, if you need a higher storage capacity than what microSD can presently offer, the MOBOTIX Q24 can record directly to USB or Ethernet hard disk drive of any capacity, or to network-attached storage, be it desktop-mounted or rack-mounted, with or without RAID configuration. In the next video, we'll discuss the cost comparison between a fisheye megapixel IP camera system and the MOBOTIX Hemispheric technology. To stay informed as new videos are released, subscribe to the IP Academy channel.